Welcome back. Continuing the news. A long-serving member of the clergy in St. James is condemning the recent sexual cases involving two pastors. Reverend Glendon Powell says the incidents point to the need for training and guidance, especially for younger church leaders. Krista Campbell reports.
23-year-old Jamar Harrison from Portland charged with impregnating a 13-year-old he met on social media. 39-year-old Jason Rose of St. James charged with having sex with a 15-year-old. The two arrested in separate incidents last week. Days later, amidst public outcry, pastor of Unity Hall Open Bible Church in St. James, Reverend Glendon Powell, has warned against the arbitrary establishment of churches.
There are some ministries that are not, there are people who just set up something on the road, rent a place, and they start a ministry. The proper training, not only the proper training, but the proper guidance, proper mentorship is many times lacking.
While sympathizing with the rape victims in both incidents, he noted that institutions like the St. James Ministers Fraternal are important in providing proper guidance, especially for younger pastors.
I'm in St. James for 40-odd years now, and this particular minister, I don't even know him. Right? People have been telling me about the church. I don't know the church. We have a St. James Ministers Fraternal, where as ministers we meet every month. You know, younger ones are groomed, you know, and as an association we have a mentorship program that we always try to make sure that the senior men and senior women pass on values.
And while he notes that it is the Spirit of God that gives self-control, he says there's no shame in pastors and other church leaders seeking help if they have sexual weaknesses. Meanwhile, he stressed the importance of church leaders passing proper background checks.
For the St. James Ministers Fraternal, we have a system that when somebody wants to become a part of the fraternal, we conduct interviews with them, you know, to make sure that they are aligned to an association, you know, and they are under proper guidance.
The 23-year-old Portland-based pastor who is accused of impregnating a 13-year-old girl he met on social media is to appear in court on Thursday, June 17. It comes 2 years after 56-year-old Kingston-based apostolic pastor Kenneth Blake was sentenced to 29 years for impregnating a 12-year-old girl. Krista Campbell, TVJ News.